today's finds at the junk store. I got two crappy clock radios that are going to meet the fate of the oven for future destruction videos. They're an Audio Logic brand, both of them. I've never heard of that brand, so it must be garbage. I got this Philco Transitone AM battery radio with the wires suspiciously cut off, so I hope it's not like been destroyed or anything. And I got this transcription player, classroom record player thing. I got all this stuff for $70, which I think is not bad. This actually works perfectly, which is very refreshing because most of the stuff I buy is usually broken. So yeah, that's very nice because it actually works perfectly. Like, yeah, that's great. I think this is, look, it's on springs too. This is definitely going to replace my current turntable because it's just way cooler. Also, it has the little strobe thing, which is cool.